All right, the key to comparing fraction is to have a common base. So the common multiple between 2, 4, and 8 is 8. The lowest common multiple of 8 and 6, that has a common factor of 2, is 24. So preferably we want everything to be 24. We don't really need the half to be 24. It's the only positive value, so it's the largest. This is the largest. But these three we want to convert into a common base of 24. So you're going to multiply top and bottom here by 3 to get 9 over 24. Okay, and then top and bottom here by 6. So you get minus 18 over 24. And top and bottom here by 4 to get minus 20 over 24. So this is the smallest, right? So minus 5 over 6 is the smallest. Then it's this one, minus 3 over 4. And then this is the largest. And then of course half is bigger than all of them.